guys tonight. Thank you so much for singing and dancing with us. You guys have been an amazing audience. Thank you so much. This last one is Fire for You. Thank you so much. Have fun tonight. Thank you.